welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day, and I am super excited. As you can see from the description, today we are going to be opening our March 2019 JewlyBox. I love this subscription. It is always so much fun and so beautiful. For those of you that do not know, it is a jewelry subscription, and it is $19.99 a month. I do have a code I will put below for you. It is Nicki, N-I-C-K-I. It's just my name. You can use that and you can get, I believe it's 10% off your first month. And you receive 3 pieces of jewelry every month, and it's always awesome. Usually it is like earrings, a necklace, and a bracelet. So I'm ready to get in here and see what March has in store and share with you guys. You do also, when you sign up, you can select whether you prefer gold or silver. So that is nice. But let's get in here and see what we have for March 2019. So it does always come in a cute little bag that says JewlyBox. And let's see. Okay, so this is a card. And yes, it is my name, Nicki, N-I-C-K-I, and that will get you 10% off. So how awesome is that? You can sign up and get 3 amazing pieces of jewelry and get 10% off your first month. So I'll make sure to put the code along with a link down below. But let's see what we have in our bag. I love this subscription. That's why I actually do not have a necklace. I do have earrings on just because I was so ready to wear these fun little earrings. These are from the Bauble Mail, the new subscription. I'll make sure to put it up above for you guys. That is a really fun one as well. So, but JewlyBox. So let's see. And mine, I always go with silver. So these are really cute, nice little bags too. They're canvas. So you probably could find ways to, you know, repurpose them or different things. So let's see. First item looks very pretty. Very, very pretty. Oh, this is y'all, this is a bracelet and it is gorgeous. Okay, I really like this. So they move, but it's multiple strands. So let's see. Let's see if I can get it on here. Sometimes my fingers want to cooperate, and sometimes they don't. So let's see what's going to happen today. Well, it's like right there. Okay. My fingers don't want to cooperate, and I don't want to make this video longer than it needs to be, but do you guys see how cute this is? I love the layered look, and it's just fun, and just, I think that is so beautiful. Like, it is just so gorgeous. So I am super, super happy about that guy. And next we have this guy. Guessing this is going to be a necklace. Whoa! This is definitely a necklace. Okay. Did not expect that. Let's see. So this definitely is one that we would like loop around, but I'm sure it's gonna be really pretty, so I'm actually very excited. I love longer necklaces, so something like this. Okay, And obviously, you know, you can customize this. You can make this look so many different ways. You could do just like I did here with it, just having it come down. You could maybe even go for a third loop and make it more of like a choker style. I think the simplicity right here is what I'll go with. I think it's super pretty. So very, very happy with this necklace. And then the final item we have are some earrings. These look really pretty. Let's see. Oh, we have multiple backs. So, oh, okay. So I see. Oh, y'all, this is okay. So they're studs, super sparkly, very gorgeous, simple studs that you could wear alone. Or this is why there's multiple backs. I think there's these guys. So you could have the stud in and then put this on the back side. So then this is what the earring would actually look like. That is so cute. So it's really like two pairs of earrings in one, and just so cute. I think either way, it's super pretty. Those are gorgeous. So this is another amazing month for JewlyBox. I have yet to be disappointed with this subscription, you guys. I think it is so fantastic. And to get such beautiful pieces, 3 pieces every month for only $19.95. And like I said, if you haven't signed up, you can use my code and get your first month for free. Or not free. That would be nice, wouldn't it? You can get it for 10% off. And y'all, I mean, this stuff is just so gorgeous. Like I said, I have never been disappointed with the subscription. I think it is totally worth it. And it's always, always so beautiful. So it is a great way to build your jewelry collection. And like I said, you do get to choose between silver or gold. So whatever your preference is. And like I said, I can't say enough that every month is always absolutely phenomenal and gorgeous. So let me know down below what you guys thought of these 3 pieces of the March JewlyBox. I hope you all have a great day. If you are new, please do consider hitting that subscribe button. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And like I said, please do leave a comment down below. I hope you all have a fabulous day. A little too much coffee today. So again, I hope you all have a fabulous day, and I will see you guys with the next video. Bye.